The CLA45s came into here to do our full stage 2 package. Actually, I'm out of words. Just look at my hands, it's all sweaty. The wheels has finally arrived. My God. What's going on, guys? I'm very excited for today's project. It's because we have the CLA45s came into here to do our full stage 2 package, including the catalyst downpipe and also the eventually carbon intake. So we have the full exhaust system around here from Veleno, and as well as the eventually carbon cold air intake. The customer is also opt for our stage 2 package. I mean, you're going to have a stage 2 tune where everything is installed to the car. So actually, I'm quite excited for the performance that we can gain out of this CLA45s. And as you see over here, we got the 10 anniversaries carbon intake from eventually. So actually you can see the details part of it, the carbon weave. It actually looks very, very nice. And also, I mean, for this intake is what you pay for. For the quality is what you pay for. As you see over here, the carbon weave. So the owner is also opt for the black tailpipe to match back the diffuser. So actually it's very nice. So yeah, I can't wait for the projects going on. And we stay tuned for the end result, how it really looks like. So actually we did broke the record of this CLA45S Raw 97 tune, stage 2 tune, which is that we produced 470 on-wheel horsepower. You know how insane that power that is? They actually get to pull on this just only stage 2 with just only eventually and the full Veleno system, exhaust system changing. I mean, that's insane. And the torque, it will be 638 pound-feet of torque, which is crazy. From 498 to 637, and the horsepower is from 413 to 417 on-wheel horsepower. 470 on wheel. That is actually insane. So yeah, let's go for a drive, and I'll see how is my reaction towards after everything is done, all the upgrades. So actually this is how the eventually and the intake, the full system. Actually, I'm out of words. Just look at my hands, it's all sweaty enough while I'm driving this CLA45S. It's so scary, and how crazy this car power. I mean, if you see my reaction, there's so much to take in for this sensation of this driving this stage 2 CLA45S. I mean, when you hear the downshift, man, see the crackles and pops. My words. I mean, I doesn't really have any words to describe how crazy this is. Alright, so this is how crazy this CLA45S is. I mean, when I drive this beast, Well, everything is put on a smile to the face, so I can't really wait to see how the owner reacts to this ride. Yeah, so that's about it, I think. So looking forward for the owner to come and collect his love ride, and yeah, I'll see how he reacts to his I mean, in the same way, but very different in many ways. But after the full modification for this CLA45, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers. Yes, so finally for the McLaren 650S project, the wheels has finally arrived. So I'll just do an unboxing, see how this wheel looks. It's gonna look sexy. My God, it looks so nice. Easy, look at this. Damn. Carbon aero this with the contrast with his blue, the baby blue. Yeah, come, let's pick it up and see. All right. Oof. Damn. It looks so good. And the central aero cap. So many spins. Slowly. Alright. Oh, looks damn nice, bro.
Looks good, bro.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Looks damn nice. It looks really nice.
Yeah, my customer is gonna love it, bro.
Yep. I bet he will.
Have you showed him already?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm going to take some pictures for him.
The details, bro.
Yeah.
The blue.
Shit, the detail is awesome, bro.
Carbon fiber.
See?
Carbon fiber.
My word. Wow. Look at the carbon aero disc.
3-piece here, bro. This
Yeah,
one.
3-piece.
Mad, bro.
3-piece. 3-piece only can fit in with the carbon aero disc. Even on all the studs with the contrast. Let's see how it goes. Woo. It looks damn nice, way, bro. It looks damn nice. My God. Yeah. I think, not sure whether this is the first. I think they will be the first Veleno carbon aero disc in Malaysia. This will be the first.
With DarwinPro.
Yep. Damn, so good. Let's see the specs. 20, 9J, and 35 offset.
This is the front, front.
Yep. So how you guys think about these wheels? Actually, I'm quite excited to see how this wheel fit to the 650S will be with the full DarwinPro kit. Basically, it transformed the whole look of the 650S, and I can't wait this wheel to fit on the 650S. So, and by the way, next week we are heading to Bangkok Auto Salon, and I can't wait to see all the crazy mods and all the crazy cars at Bangkok, and they are famous for it, and they are crazy performance mods. Yeah, so I'm really excited to see how well the trip will be. So yeah, let's see. So I'll see you on Bangkok Auto Salon.